I'm about 1 mile into my hike. It's really windy in these passes, and without the wind it's about 40 degrees. So a little bit chilly here in Arizona, up high, but beautiful. Yep, that's snow on the trail. Worth it. Well, I did the Echo Canyon Loop Trail in the Chiricahua Mountains today. It was 3.5 miles in about 2.25 hours. It was only about 500 feet elevation gain, so it was really nice if you go the counterclockwise way and not the clockwise way. The counterclockwise way gives you a better gentle climb up out of the canyon, but amazing scenery, really beautiful.